Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video, we have a 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor that is now ready to be sold. And I know guys, I know it's been some time that we haven't made a video. We've been really busy on our end. So we do apologize for that. So we got a few cars that are coming out, so we'll go ahead and we'll post them. It's just I do apologize for not recording all the vehicles, guys, because some of these cars, the moment we have them ready, the next day they're sold, or they might be already pre-ordered by security companies. So yeah guys, so bear with me, okay? So here we go guys. So this is a 2016 with about 112,561 on the miles. It's got about 10,102 on the idle, okay? And remember guys, high idle doesn't mean that the engine or the car is in bad shape. Remember guys, these cars are meant to idle. That's how they build them, okay? They're heavier duty components in the engine to make it all work with the vehicle idling as much as it's going to idle while the vehicle is on duty or is in service. Okay, so here we go guys. 16 Ford Explorer, here we go. So both spotlights are fully functional, okay? They're the Unity non-LED. We got a beautiful push bumper, okay? You can actually adapt it's set up for your whatever lights you want to put on it, okay? If you're not law enforcement, obviously you want to go amber white, okay? So you have two there, and yeah, actually I thought I had more, but no, it's two here, and that's it. Okay, cool. That's us. All right, so let's come out this way. The vehicle obviously is equipped with Goodyear Eagles RSA all the way around. And remember, the vehicle, it is an all-wheel drive, so that's one beautiful thing about these cars, okay? The all-wheel drive functionality, it makes it just amazing to drive, okay? So we'll do the outside first, and we'll go ahead and tackle the inside right after. Remember guys, these cars are not flex fuel. These are regular 87 gas, okay? Here are your Goodyear Eagles. Okay, on the top we do have no antennas, but the holes that were on top were covered. Okay, so you're good to go. All right, so let's go to the back. The vehicle does come with rear park assist, which are the parking sensors 1, 2, 3, 4 to help you with your parking, and a low resolution backup camera. Okay. All right. All right, so now let's get to the inside. All right, so power windows, power door locks, power seat, driver's seat, okay? Okay. Adjustable pedals, power adjustable pedals. Obviously the spotlights do work, okay? Let me back out a little bit. Your dome light, it's white and red. Oops, there's a white and there's a red. Cool. Show you the headliner. All right, both seats are in good condition. All right, let's show you the back. There's the back. There is a trunk space. Let's show you a pic. Let's show you. I guess let's show you the front from here. All right. Awesome. All right. So now let's go to the Let's open up the trunk. Alright, so this is the holes where your police lights were actually mounted. Okay, obviously those are gone now. Perfect. Alright, real simple. Let's go to the other seat. Okay, here's passenger rear door. All right, let's go to front passenger door. These doors are quite heavy, but I know they're non-ballistic. Usually we might see a sticker right here that says ballistics panel, but with these front doors, the actual the window regulator is quite heavy, so sometimes you might get confused and be like, oh, the vehicle does come with ballistics panels, but no, I don't think so. I think it's just the window regulator motor that's quite heavy. So all right, so now let me show you the engine compartment. All right, so I went ahead and turned the actual car on so you get to hear the engine. But remember guys, on all of our cars, we're never ever gonna wash an engine or pressure wash an engine. We'll go ahead and clean it up very lightly. If whoever decides to buy it, they could go ahead and do whatever they want, clean it, grease it up. We just don't do that. We just let that on our end. It looks perfectly normal. So we'd rather give you a normal looking engine with no leaks than a super clean, you know, engine that may be that the leaks may be washed off, and then when you get the car, it's a surprise. Okay, so we like that. If there is a leak, we'll address it. Okay, so I'm going to be quiet now. Let you actually get to hear the engine. All right, cool. So we just had the vehicle, we just had its oil change done about an hour ago. So car is running in very good condition. Obviously it's been smogged. It has a 40-mile minimum road test that we've done on our vehicles, and it's a heavy road test, not a you know, I guess a grandma, you know, road test. We don't baby the road test. We will go ahead and, you know, we push the vehicle to the limit to make sure that if we see anything, anything comes out, any sense, any check engine light, anything pops up, then that will fix it. So like I said, the car has now been smogged, and has a recent oil change, and it's ready for a new registration. Okay, so now let's show you I guess the odometer. Okay, so 112,561 is the odometer. Okay, obviously radio works. Here, we'll crank it up. Oops. There you go. And there you go. Let me turn this off. I know we were doing road tests before, but guys, that takes some time on our end. So we're gonna just skip the road test on future vehicles because we're so backed up on cars. We may not. It may not look like we have other cars here, but trust me guys, we're overflowing of cars, and not just here, but at our secondary location that we have. So yeah guys, so this vehicle is now available to be sold, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. 909-457-5500. Visit our webpage at www.drivecarsmart.com for full pictures of the actual video. I'm sorry, of the vehicle. There's about probably 40-50 pictures of the actual vehicle. Okay, remember, the car does come with 3 months or 3,000-mile limited powertrain service contract. So you know, whatever issues that may come out as a surprise, it'll help you offset some of the costs. You can always upgrade for more term or more miles or better coverage. Okay, at least we give you something for free. We give you 3 months or 3,000 miles on the house. Okay, So cool. All right, guys. Well, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. And I know, again, guys, I know we haven't made a video on some of our cars. It's been some time, so just bear with me, guys. And just we're a small business, and we're just trying to grow the channel. But sometimes we get so backed up with our cars that we don't have the time to make the videos. So. Yeah, you can always call us and ask us, hey Antonio, what do you have in transit? What do you have now? What do you have that's finishing or being done soon? And I'll let you know exactly the cars that we have in transit, what's coming, miles, and you know, whatever vehicle it is. I know we have a Crown Vic, like we have a 2010 Crown Vic that's coming out with like 60,000 miles on it. So that one, hopefully we'll make a video on it. But just let's hope we have the time for it. But cool. All right, guys. Well, again, thanks for watching, and have a blessed rest of day. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up or the like button so the YouTube algorithm could find cool people like yourself that are interested in these vehicles. Okay. All right, guys. Peace.